Hello students, welcome to our mathematics class standard 8. In this video, we discuss about area of rhombus and example based on area of rhombus. So watch the video carefully and up to end and like the video and subscribe it. Area of rhombus. Here we draw rhombus, name it ABCD. Here we draw diagonal AC and BD. Intersect diagonal AC and BD at point P and form a right angle. Because diagonal of rhombus are a perpendicular bisector of each other, means here form four right triangles. AP and CP are equal and half of AC. BP and DP are equal and half of BD. Write down. AP is equal to CP is equal to half of AC, that is D1 upon 2. D1 means diagonal, first diagonal, that is AC. Similarly, BP is equal to DP is equal to BD upon 2 is equal to D2 upon 2. Area of rhombus is divided into four right angle triangles. This is first, second, third and fourth. Means area of rhombus is sum of all these four areas of triangle. So write down area of rhombus is equal to area of rhombus ABCD is equal to area of triangle APB plus area of triangle BPC plus area of triangle CPD plus area of triangle APD. Now find out the areas of triangles. These are a right angle triangles, means area of right angle triangle is equal to 1 upon 2 or half into product of the right angle sides. Here in triangle APB, right angle sides are BP and AP. So write down area of triangle APB is equal to half into BP into AP. Now substitute the value of AP and BP in terms of diagonal 1 and diagonal 2. Area of triangle APB is equal to half into D2 upon 2 into D1 upon 2. Area of second triangle, that is triangle BPC, is equal to half into BP into CP. Now substitute the value of BP and CP. Area of triangle BPC is equal to half into D2 upon 2 into D1 upon 2. Similarly, we find out areas of remaining two triangles. Next one, area of triangle CPD is equal to half into DP into CP. Now substitute the values. 1 upon 2 into D2 upon 2 into D1 upon 2. Now fourth one, area of triangle APD is equal to 1 upon 2 DP into AP. Now substitute the values. Is equal to 1 upon 2 into D2 upon 2 into D1 upon 2. Observe areas of all four triangles are equal to 1 upon 2 into D2 upon 2 into D1 upon 2. All four are the same and equal. All four are equal. So area of rhombus is equal to 4 times of any one of area of any one of triangle. So we write down area of rhombus ABCD is equal to sum of all 4 triangles. We convert into area of rhombus ABCD is equal to 4 times area of triangle APB. Now area of triangle APB means, write down the left hand side, area of rhombus ABCD is equal to 4 into 1 upon 2 into d2 upon 2 into d1 upon 2. Here these 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 ones are 2, 2 ones are 2. Means this 4 and these 2 2's are cancelled. Therefore, what remains? Only 1 upon 2 into d2 into d1. So write down area of rhombus ABCD is equal to 1 upon 2 d1 into d2. d1 and d2 are the diagonals, means 1 upon 2 into product of their diagonals. Means what is the formula for rhombus? So here we write down the area of rhombus. Therefore area of rhombus is equal to half or 1 upon 2 into product of lengths of diagonals. This is the formula for area of rhombus. This is the formula for area of rhombus. So write down this formula. You have to all understand this formula. So we now solve the example based on area of rhombus using this formula. Practice set 15.2. First example. The lengths of diagonals of a rhombus are 15 centimeter and 24 centimeter. Find its area. So write down the solution. Area of rhombus is equal to 1 upon 2 into product of lengths of diagonals. Now substitute the values. Equal to 1 upon 2 into 15 into 24. 2 ones are 2, 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4 means 12. 12 into 15, answer is 180 square centimeter. Unit is important. Here we find out the area, therefore the unit is square centimeter. Next one, the lengths of diagonals of a rhombus are 16.5 centimeter and 14.2 centimeter. Find its area. Solution. First, write down the formula. Area of rhombus is equal to 1 upon 2 into product of lengths of diagonals. Now substitute the values. Is equal to 1 upon 2 into 16.5 into 14.2. 2 ones are 2, 2 sevens are 14, point as it is, 2 ones are means 7.1. Now multiply 16.5 into 7.1. We get the answer, that is 117.15 square centimeter. You complete these two examples. Remaining two examples we see in the next video. So thank you for watching the video.